welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm installing a new shifter in my truck. It is a B&M Magnum Pro Grip. Here's the shifter right here. Main reason I'm putting this in today is because my old shifter's junk. It's falling apart. It's been broken a few times actually. And this one's cooler because it's a pistol grip. So it makes me look like I know what I'm doing. But yeah, so let me get started. Okay, so up under the truck, you got your two brackets here. The only difference is that this bracket doesn't mount on these holes on the side of the transmission. You have to pull the oil pan bolts out, two of them, and it mounts in place of those. But it's the exact same thing. It's super simple. You hook it up in there and adjust it through each gear. And yeah, I mean, there's a bolt for that, 2 bolts for this, 4 bolts on the actual shifter itself. I mean, it's very simple and easy to install, and it's working really well. The thing shifts really smooth. The hardest part was when I was laying under here, I had to pretty much hug my hands on each side of the transmission to get those bolts in and get these nuts and lock washers on them. So I kind of needed a second person for that to tighten them from the top while I held a wrench on these down here. But other than that, it was a pretty easy job. So I basically already got this angled where I want it to be whenever it's lifted up on a stand. So that way we just gotta pull it straight off the floor and maybe back a little bit. Yeah, just threw some bolts into the floor. I ended up moving it over a little bit to line up with this hole, so that way the cable lays nice and easy and it's not binding real hard. That's what that first hole is we put it in and I ran it and it was just really too tight of a curve for that cable, so stepped it up into this bigger hole and it's working a little bit better, and just moved the shifter over a little bit. Well, I think I broke something, so draining the transmission and pulling off the oil pan, and I'm gonna see what's wrong. Hopefully it's not too bad, but we'll have to see.